Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English story. Today, we are going to learn about Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventors in history. This story will not only teach you English, but also inspire you to keep going, even when life is difficult. Part 1: Early Life. Thomas Edison was born in 1847 in Ohio, USA. As a child, he loved asking questions. He was always curious. But in school, Edison had problems. His teachers thought he was a slow learner, so his mother decided to teach him at home. Part 2: First Inventions. When Edison was a teenager, he started working. He sold newspapers and candy on trains, but Edison also loved science. He built a small laboratory in a train carriage. One day, a chemical experiment caused a fire. He lost his job, but he never stopped experimenting. Part 3: Struggles and Failures. As Edison grew older, he wanted to create new inventions. He failed many times. But Edison said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." This means success comes from hard work, not just talent. Part 4: The Light Bulb. Edison's most famous invention is the electric light bulb, but it was not easy. He tried more than 10,000 different materials before he found the right one. People laughed at him. They said it was impossible. But Edison answered, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work." Finally, in 1879, Edison invented the first practical light bulb. Part 5: Changing the World. After the light bulb, Edison continued inventing. He created the phonograph, which could record and play sound. He also worked on the motion picture camera, the beginning of movies. In his lifetime, Edison held more than 1,000 patents. His inventions changed the way people live. Part 6: Life Lesson. Thomas Edison's story teaches us many lessons. He showed us that failure is not the end. He showed us that hard work brings success. So, remember, never give up. Work hard every day. Believe in yourself. Conclusion. Thank you for listening to today's English story. I hope you learned new words and felt inspired. See you in the next video.